This is Lisa Balseric of IMTS TV, here with Michael Huggett of Index to talk about the new iXWorld online portal. Michael, what is iXWorld?
iXWorld is a customer integrated online portal that allows customers to not only integrate their machine tools to today's technology, but also share that technology, both internally and externally. So if you take a look at what everybody talks about Industry 4.0, Industry 4.0 is basically collecting machine data, but that's only part of the customer's problems. What they have problems with today is not only combining the data of the machine operation, utilization, and uptime, but also how to find the parts, how to order those parts, how to get those integrated to them. When they need to add tooling and accessories and options, where's a place to go for that? And then how to program the machines, simulate the parts appropriately, and integrate those all together. Then you come down to services, to scheduling, to texting, to contacting the service departments of the companies you want to work with, and being able to communicate that back and forth. So what iXWorld is, instead of just being Industry 4.0, it's a full integration of a machine tool shop and a builder working together in unison.
So who is iXWorld for?
iXWorld is for any Index Traub customers that want to continue to grow and expand their machine's capacity and the integration of knowledge between their machine and their SAP or accounting system, just to make their life and integration better.
What is iXWorld's role in the new era of smart manufacturing?
You know, it really combines a lot of things for that. In today's society, people don't want to wait for answers. They want things back right away. So they want to be able to text, look up, find things without having to go to a manual. In today's Google and Amazon world, patience no longer exists. So it's utilizing a machine tool company, taking those same concepts and integrating them into a customer simple portal to find that information.
So how does this portal further the manufacturing industry as a whole?
On a whole, it's going to kind of drive the industry. So it's making people not only look at an OEM, look at just making a machine tool, but then also supplying all the information on the parts. What's been made, how it's made in 3D, how all that information is communicated to a customer. And then communicating also through services and support and online connectivity to share that information from a customer to an OEM and back. And it's going to cause all of our competition to take that Industry 4.0 concept and move it to the next level.
So what are some special functions on iXWorld?
So one of the things that we came up with is what's called Explore. And Explore is a way in a community. I almost call it Facebook for the machine tool industry. So our existing customers can log on, share information, ask questions of other Index Traub users, and be able to communicate that back. At the same time, they can go out and ask questions directly of our engineering team about cycle time, about tooling life, about different ways of doing manufacturing, and then share that information through that. So it's just kind of like an open forum and an open blog for them to share stuff. And the nice thing is they have individual logins, so people that don't have machines can't just get on there and start making things up and go through that. It keeps it more specific for the groups and the people that are within the Index family, and like I said before, like Facebook for Index. One of the other nice things that we have is a feature called XShop. And XShop is almost being set up like Amazon.com. So you can take the serial number of your machine, plug it into XShop, and you can literally explode that view out in 3D, go to any individual part that's on that machine, click on it, rotate it, see it in 3D, say, yep, that's the thing I'm having a problem with. Click on it, add it to your cart, and it'll go ahead and order it for you. In addition to that, you can track it, know when it's going to be delivered, know when it's coming in, and if you see that that part's going to be in the next 24 hours, you can actually go from there directly onto our services portal and then order service directly from that. So it's just ways that we tie all these things together to make it better for the customer.
So if we want to learn more about iXWorld, where do we go?
Index-USA.com.
That was Michael Huggett from Index talking about the new online portal iXWorld. For IMTS TV, I'm Lisa Balseric.